Okay, guys, Wasim, Rajni, how are you guys doing?
I'm good,
Yeah,
feeling
doing
out of the world.
great.
Very nice, guys. And guys, today is our very last session of this incredible journey that we all took together. And guys, before anything, I want to ask you guys, how are you feeling till now?
Yeah,
Was
I'll
feeling.
start. Hmm? Yeah, I'm feeling like it's a different feeling. It's only completely transformative because now I know myself as a better person. So
yes,
yes, I'm confident. I'm really powerful. There's nothing like no complaint, no anything to say to anybody. I am able to change my state from below average to good state. So that is all power I have already got, and definitely this I'm going to apply in my life also.
very good, Rajni, very good. And Wasim, how you're feeling till now?
Yeah, feeling very good and as well mixed feeling as well because this is our last sessions.
Yes,
So learn lot of thing from you and lot of tool we I got to implement our day-to-day activity and daily life. So that is a saying if okay, am I audible?
yes, please go ahead.
Okay. So that is a saying if someone is hungry, so don't give him fish, teach him how to
Yes,
catch the fish. So
yes,
that the same thing this program has given me a lot of tools. So I know how to take my action or messy action, anything. So that's great tool. Yeah.
absolutely, Wasim, absolutely. And to tell you guys, I also have mixed feeling. I'm feeling very happy and proud that three of us were committed and we came to this end. So,
Yes.
guys, with this, let's just give a huge round of applause for each other to coming this till the end. And guys, I'm sure that this journey is going to be a remarkable journey in your life because we have seen a lot of breakthroughs. We understood that who we are as a person, and we have seen a lot of changes within ourselves. So let's this session we call it the conclude session, and where we will say bye to each other and share our thoughts. So
Sure.
let's start with Rajni. So Rajni, just as you said, how you're feeling. So I just want to know your experience in this entire journey, starting from your personality, the welcome session, until now.
Sure, sure. See, Abhimanyu, let me start from right from the beginning, as when I was not aware about this system. I must say that in one sentence, I was going to live my life incomplete or half of my life if I'm not aware of that system. And thank you to you for providing this system. Thank you, this Arfin Khan system of transformation, and which keeps me like all the time in the good state. What are the baselines? I was not aware, but definitely now I'm aware about my power codes, baselines, and I'm succeeding towards my outcomes with my power leaps. So these now nobody can stop me because I have written my success blueprint by myself, and I'm on the way of happiness and satisfaction, good health, where no fear, no more challenges, only achievements, only success. So thank you so much. My gratitude to all the people who are around me and to you too also. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajni. And I appreciate and I'm most delighted to hear these beautiful words from you, because you both guys are committed persons who are ready to do, chase the world, change yourself, achieve your dreams. Wasim, please go ahead and let me know your experience from the welcome sessions of personality till now. How was your this entire incredible you journey?
So that was very wonderful and great, and thanks for you to explaining in such in a clear way and a easy way. So I'm able to understand whatever you have given us tool. And when I joined this program, and there was a personality assessment where I found myself in an average state or somehow below average. So after going whole journey, now I'm in a good state and above good state. So that's one achievement is there and breakthrough for me, and lot of learning. I know about my personality. First thing, I know about who I am. So who is
Absolutely.
Wasim? I come to know after this program, and there are baseline and speech activity which changed my thought thinking pattern. Before that, I'm always thinking about the negative stuff only, but after that activity, that totally changed me. So there are definitely a lot of things like outcome and vision board and power leap. Every tool is such an amazing tool that give a thing to think out of the box, and we
Yes.
know how to make decisions in a structured manner, and we know right. So now I know my goal, what I to do. So it's all very clear, crystal clear for me. And thanks for you, and thanks for the ARFIN system, uh, what you have given me. Thank you very much for all those
And
things.
And thank you to Wasim also for
Yeah,
being
yeah,
together, and
yeah,
he was suggesting for so many things to come out with a good decision and all during this journey. So thank you to you also, Wasim and Abhimanyu.
yes.
guys,
Welcome.
let's
Same to
just,
you as well. Yeah,
yes, let's give a huge round of applause for each other, guys. Huge round of applause. This is like a farewell. And guys,
Yes, yes, of course.
tell you, dreams are actually very beautiful. So coming and enrolling for this incredibly journey was a dream for you, and that was beautiful. This should be close to your heart. Stick to your dream and do whatever we have learned. We have learned here, and it should stick to your heart. And guys, since we are virtually connected, if we are in live, we could have hugged each other. But for that, I want to give you a small gift. It's a gift of wisdom. So there is a one quote and a one shairi which transformed my life, which took me from nothing to something and from something to everything. So the first quote which I would like to share is from the author Napoleon Hill is, whatever the mind of man can conceive and bring itself to believe, it can achieve. Regardless how many times you have failed in the past, doesn't matter. And the shairi, which literally give me goosebumps when I still read it, it goes like this: मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता मेरे दोस्त, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
yeah, that's amazing.
So these quotation and this shairi literally make me believe that you have a, if you have a true belief in something, if you want to really achieve it, you can achieve it. And guys, this is what I want to. And before we sign off, let me just openly and honestly tell you guys, it was not the learning for you guys, it was learning for me as well, because the learning always go from you also and from me also. So I also learned many things about, I also, and like I was, you guys were like books to me, like Wasim the reformer and Rajni the helper. There was a lot of learning for me as well. So guide, you both were like really gems for me. I also learned, and we enjoyed this incredible journey. Thank you very much guys for enrolling this and being
Thank
part
you so much.
close to my heart,
Thank
guys.
you. Yeah.
Thank you very much. And guys, do you have any queries, concern right now? Anything you want to ask? Because this is not the end of the journey. This is a formal ending of a session. But as you know that in a mastermind, we'll be definitely going to connect. So anything else you want to know before we wrap up?
No,
No, yeah.
no question. Actually, I'm thankful to you all, and we are definitely going to meet in our masterminds and in our buddy groups. So I will learn, and I will definitely improve my skills a lot more. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rajni Wasim. And today I'm gonna give you something which we always do, and it's like a salute to you guys. It's like this, and you always rock, guys. Keep on rocking, keep on
Thank
inspiring
you.
people around you. Give them a
Sure.
spark. If you can do, they also can do. Be a diamond and shine like anything. So, guys, always be happy. We'll catch up each other in the mastermind group.
Sure.
Guys, please take care of yourself. Be happy, be safe. and keep on growing, guys. God bless you. We'll see you in a mastermind call.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.